Welcome to the foggy state of Da Nang. It is crazy foggy the whole morning, but it is almost done now. As you can see here, if you're up there, you will not have lots of view. But we're gonna actually walk to the Chao Street and we're gonna go for a banh mi. I really miss already. I really miss this banh mi. So I think we had it last week, right? It's a special banh mi. It's a very, very special, tasty banh mi. I don't know why I crave it so much, but I think they're doing a great job. So definitely have to check it out too. I did a whole video about it. I will also link it then. But yeah, oh, beautiful. Can't wait to go there. We're gonna walk over now on the Doba Street. This is the Doba Street, D-O, new word, B-A. And it goes all the way to the Chao Street, which is lots of local street food over there. And look at what's happening over there. They already put some sand on it. It's gonna be a Barrett urban zone. Very interesting. What are they gonna do there? Is it gonna be living too, or just some kind of stores and restaurants? We will find out soon. Because I think they're starting with the construction. Lots of construction everywhere here. Construction going on in every single street in this neighborhood. But usually they're pretty quick. And then it just, you need some time. When it's done, then it's gonna be good. Is he transporting an oven? Or what is that? Fascinating. Ice? Okay. This is the Cecilia Hotel. It's also on the Doba Street. Sail Hotel. We did not review the Sail Hotel yet, right? Just the Santa Luxury. It's a very stylish coffee shop. Huh. I'm coffee tour. I'm coffee. Okay. SEO, baby. And these are some Chinese noodles. It's all in Chinese and in Vietnamese. Maybe here it's in English too.
Oh yeah, main dish.
Very interesting. I want to try them one time. But be careful. Those Chinese noodles are very spicy, I think. You got a seafood over there, another restaurant, lounge. And actually, if you like to play pool, there's a very professional pool place over there. It's called Hybrid. My friend actually plays up there, but the serious people are on the top floor. Downstairs, everyone can play. But if you want to be very serious, you go up and play serious billiard. The Pig Gym, that's Marcus's gym, where he never goes to.
Often you go to Beyond Sports?
Yeah. I gotta go. I will go. Definitely April will be way better. I did so many videos this whole month. It's crazy. Every day, at least 2 or 3 videos a day. Tacos. Oh, look at this. This is crazy. They finally put away the sign. It always looked like it was closed. Some new spas over there. And you see this, you cannot walk there again. The pavement is not good here in Anton. We saw better in the north, right? The other day.
Yes.
fly burger. It's all on the street, so on the street you have a lot of things to choose from. There's also the Turkish restaurants over there. Has a lunch special for 99k with a kebab roll with chicken, a drink, and some fries for 99k. 99,000 or $4. And here Marcus and I. Oh, Marcus, you wanna go for barbecue?
Now?
I don't know. What do you reckon?
Let's take the banh mi.
Okay. Nourishing shampoo. Oh, do you wanna have some? You wanna go?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Let's
Fuck
do it.
Okay, we're not gonna do the banh mi, but we're gonna show you actually. Huh. I did not have so much. I didn't walk that much, but we're just gonna go in and eat. You wanna go to the full enchilada or
This one.
the cheap one?
Yeah, the cheap one.
The cheap one. So you can actually have $8 lunch buffet. That's what
Yeah.
we're gonna have now.
Exactly.
Oh, they're still open for the lunch.
Do you think?
It's 2 p.m. huh?
4. But they're offering
Oh.
it. So if they advertise
Oh, but
it,
they are closed still. Hello. Are you open or closed?
Yeah, we are open.
Open?
Yes.
Do we still have lunch special?
Oh, La buffet is gone.
Lunch buffet is gone. Oh.
for what we decide? For the
2 p.m.
banh mi
and
or
50
for the big one?
The big one or the banh mi?
I would go for the banh mi then.
Okay,
Because
then we
I'm
go
not
to
ready for the big one.
Okay, all right.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. Okay, so, all right, we continue walking. And this is a new place.
Yeah.
Brewmaster. Okay, so what we had the option now is getting the 379k buffet, but then you need to be very hungry and eat a lot, right? And it's a little bit too much for lunch. For
would say yes.
for lunch, the 8k, okay. I would rather go to 379 in the evening, or like closer to evening.
It seems they had an accident.
Oh, what happened there? This is also a very good option for lunch. The $1 rice dishes. Oh, look at this, Marcus. It's a new apartment building there.
Oh.
It looks very new. Modern. Okay. Huh. Not sure what happened here. It's the Hideout Coffee. Very popular with digital nomads, but always full, I think. I really missed the breakfast burrito.
Oh, yeah, from Damaso, right?
Yep.
Yeah. They have also a very good chicken pita. Oh, delicious.
I'm so hungry. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you now a little trick, okay? If you don't wanna walk there in the stressful street of the Chao Vinte, we're gonna go on a sneaky route. Come.
We like sneaky roads.
A sneaky route to the banh mi. Not 100% sneaky, but half sneaky. So we are now at the Mai Tuk Lam street, also very important street. It's all like parallel to the beach streets, you gotta know. Marcus and I actually, we did an interview the other day. Let's go here.
Oh yeah.
We did the interview the other day with Boris, our other friend, in German for our German channel. But you know what? They have auto dubbing now on YouTube.
This is what we discovered yesterday.
Yeah, so now if you are not German speaking, our voices get dubbed. So you can actually listen to the whole not podcast, but the whole interview with normal voices in English. And the translation is pretty good. Very good. The voices are a little bit annoying because they are not ours, but the jokes all worked. Yeah. So here on this little side street, this little sneaky route, there is actually something very interesting. Arvo.
Okay.
So here, it's very bad for Marcus because he loves sweets. But here's Jeremy's kitchen, I think. Yeah, it should be there. They have the best desserts. Yeah, Jeremy's. And just like all American eateries, you will get diabetes most likely. But it's delicious diabetes. Oh, I want to eat. I'm so hungry. But let's go. It's very good there. Jeremy's is definitely a recommendation. What car is this? It's so fancy, but it's a Hyundai, right? And what is this here? Huh.
$60 horsepower.
Oh man.
Numero.
That's new, eh? It's a coffee shop, I think. Or maybe something else. Yeah. It's a very interesting street also to live, because there are some apartment buildings. We just need to find out what the name is of the street. Look at this, new apartment building getting constructed right now. And here's another one. Guys, they're all over. So many new apartment buildings getting built. And this restaurant is also closed, or 30. Oh, they just renovated. They're not closed. Interesting. They were completely demolished, but they just renovated. Okay. Now they have even more seats. Okay. I think they were always very successful anyways. There you can get some sausages. We are now at the Chao Divinité Street. Sausages on the hot stone. Even cheese sausage. Marcus, did you see that? There are cheese sausages on it. My God. It's a bad thing. We did just film videos we did 2 videos. We filmed it when we edited, and we just left our place to do that. So we are very hungry. It's already 4 p.m. No food yet. Oh, Marcus wants to have a sausage. They sold him. Whew. All right, he bought a sausage. Now he's gonna come. I know, because of the cheese sausage, he was sold immediately. I thought about it too, but I really want to have a banh mi now. Maybe I'm gonna get 2 banh mis. Oh boy. Is it cheese sausage? Cheese sausage?
Huh?
Cheese sausage?
Chili.
Chili sausage.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But no cheese in there?
No, it's not cheese. It do not look like. But it's a little bit spicy, see?
Yeah, yeah. I think Ole had it last time and he was like very, very spiced up. And this coffee shop and co-working space is closed. It was pretty big. I don't know if it was busy, but it was. Many people worked there, the local beans. I guess this street is not built for more expensive coffee shops. Because the most coffee shops here serve you coffee for 50 cents, which is way better than the nice coffee shops. I'd rather sit there and have a good coffee than hipster coffee. But that's just my taste. Obviously, if you want to have it nice and AC and nice comfy seating, then you're gonna pay for it. Oh wow. Okono. Maybe they have some fancy ice cream here. Nothing special. Nothing special, sadly. Wow, we are almost there. I can't wait.
You're almost there.
Yes, there we go. Hello. Thank you so much. All right. Thank you. Bye bye. All right. This is a flower shop. Now let's go back to Grandma Thuong's. Okay, what are we gonna get? We're gonna get the same what we already have. Can't go wrong with that. All right. So okay guys, I actually wanted to end this and showing you this, but we were so hungry so we ate it. But don't worry, we actually made a video about this place and check out this video about it. 3 banh mi's in Vietnam, Da Nang, Vietnam. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.